Friends, if you or somebody you know has a home heating oil tank on their property, I want to share with you a really important tip, something that you can easily check with the level, and it may end up saving you tens of thousands of dollars. So this is a steel heating oil tank, and unfortunately from time to time these tanks do fail. And the remediation cost to clean up said spill could be anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000. Now, some homeowners insurance plans cover tank ruptures, but sometimes they don't. So I encourage you to check with your homeowner's policy and see if you're covered. If you're not covered, there are tank insurance programs. I actually purchased a tank insurance plan for this tank. It costs $100 for the year, and it's a bit of cheap insurance. Now, one of the main reasons as to why these steel tanks fail is due to water sitting on the bottom of the tank. Now, my tank has an outlet port towards the foundation. So what this video is about is tank pitch. Now, last night I ended up checking my tank pitch, and I found that the tank was actually leaning in the opposite direction of the port, which that is absolutely not what you want. Water is heavier than heating oil, and because my tank was pitched away from that outlet port, I would have had water sitting down on this right hand corner, and that water will pit and corrode the steel if left to sit there. So if left untreated, I definitely would have had a rupture perhaps sooner than expected, or sooner than the tank manufacturer's warranty, and I'm not sure if that even would have been covered in their warranty because my tank wasn't properly pitched. So I looked at the manufacturer's label on the side of the tank, and this is a pretty common standard. So on these steel tanks, you should have 1/4 inch of pitch per foot in the direction of the outlet. So if I take my level right now, I'm going to check it once more, and now the tank is properly pitched going downhill towards the port, and that's what you want. Again, pitch the other way. That water pooling on the bottom of the tank, because it's heavier than the heating oil, cause pitting, tank rupture, and then you could be out tens of thousands of dollars. So quick little tip, something to pay attention to.